Question now. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. I want to give additional information here. See, even a single coin is been tossed 3 times. Then also that means the same like this only. Okay. एक ही कॉइन को 3 बार डाला या 3 कॉइन को डाला है तो हमें सैम्पल स्पेस जो है सेम ही है मतलब. Okay. So now here we are going to write the sample space, that is S is sample space. So I want to say one more thing, my dear, one small hint to you all. Like if for example one coin is tossed, so what you will get it, you generally get head or a tail, is it or not? And 2 coins are tossed, then we will have HH. Okay, what all have? TH, HT and TH. So how many outcomes we got? 4. I repeat again, 1 coin के लिए क्या होता है 2, we will consider 2 raised to 1 2, और हमारे पास 2 coin है तो 2 square is 4. If we are tossing a 3 coin, ये 2 सेम ही रहेगा, 2 का पावर से ले लो. 3 coin टॉस कर रहे तो हमें कितना आना चाहिए? 2 cube is what? 8. तो हमें 8 आउटकम्स आना चाहिए. सिमिलरली हम 4 कॉइन को टॉस कर रहे तो हमें 16 आउटकम्स आएगा to 2 raised to 4. So this is a small hint that we can identify the outcomes should always be in the power of 2. 1 coin, the 2 the power 1 is 2. 2 square it's 4. 3 coins, then 2 raised to 3 is 8. So we are having here 3 coins. So we will have what? 8 outcomes. But how it's supposed to be? Let's see to it. Okay dear. So I'll tell you how to write it very easily. Okay, see, first we will write it. We head are there. So 3 coins are tossed means H, H, H. This is one combination. तीनों कॉइन में H H आया है करके we'll consider. और दूसरी बात, तीनों कॉइन में we have triple T here. T आया. फिर क्या करेंगे, हमने पहला 3 H लिख लिया और 3 T लिख लिया. अभी क्या करेंगे, 2 H लिखेंगे, क्योंकि इनमें से 3 में से एक को 2 H बनाकर और एक T बनाएंगे. वैसे ही 3 बार जो T था, अभी दूसरे बार 2 बार T और एक H हो गया है. अभी A हो चुका है, अभी फिर से 3 बार H, ये 2 बार H हो गया है. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, नाउ एक ही बार H लिखेंगे, एक ही बार H, बाकी सबको T में बदलेंगे. सिमिलरली एक ही बार T लिखकर बाकी सबको H में बदलेंगे. Let's see to it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Still again we have a 2 we wanted here. So we all have done with this one. Then we will see, we will put it in between H और T और H. T एक बार बीच में, और उसके बाद T के 2 T के between H आएगा. So see, we got 8 combinations. First 3 times T, H, 3 times T, 2 टाइम H, 2 टाइम T, फिर एक टाइम का एक कर दो, फिर एक बीच में आना चाहिए, H के 2, H के बीच में 2, एक T और 2 T के बीच में एक H. So make some form which you can understand easily. It's up to you. You can do it in any method you wanted. But we need to have a proper and this should be repeated also. See, we haven't seen anywhere like this repeated anything like. पहला H है तो और ट्रिपल H किधर भी नहीं आया, ऐसे डबल HT किधर भी नहीं आया. पहला प्लेस में है 2 बार H है और तीसरा प्लेस में T है. सो यहाँ पे पहला प्लेस में H है, थर्ड प्लेस एंड सेकेंड प्लेस दिस इज. सो नथिंग रॉन्ग, दिस इज राइट हियर. दिस इज अ प्रॉपर वे टू राइट इट. सो N of S is 8. Understood? So now what we have to do, we have to go for the conditions event A. So event says what? To get at least 2 heads. See my dear, I have generally observed students make mistakes in this part, at least, at the most, like that. So I'll make it very clear with a small examples here. At least 2 heads it is said. At least मतलब क्या है, कम से कम. See, for example, I'll just tell you a small example. If your mother made a gulab jamun and you are saying to her, at least 2 gulab jamun give it to me, at least 2 gulab jamun. So when she, at least means कम से कम 2. So if she gives more than 2, are you happy or not? Definitely happy. So that means 2 and more than 2 also will do. Is it or not? Yes or no? तो 2 गुलाब जामुन जब आप मांग रहे हो और 2 से ज़्यादा मिला तो भी आप खुश हो, तो आप लेते हो ना. वैसे ही एटलीस्ट 2 हेड्स जो बोला है, तो 2 हेड और 2 से ज़्यादा भी चलता है. Okay, so whenever it is said at least, you remember about what? Gulab jamun. so that you will remember. कम से कम 2 गुलाब जामुन मतलब 2 से ज़्यादा भी अच्छी बात है, happy है. So here 2 heads, where all we have more than 2 heads also will do. So here we have a 3 heads, so we can write it A, H, that's fine. Where we have more 2 heads, yes, we have a 2 heads here, that also will do. 2 गुलाब जामुन भी चलता है. So here also H, so THH, and here also there are 2 heads, right? HTH, और यहाँ पे नहीं, एक ही हेड है. सो व्हेन इट इज सेड एट लीस्ट, कम से कम 2, तो 2 से ज़्यादा 2 और 2 से ज़्यादा भी चलता है. ओके, 2 और एट लीस्ट मीन्स 2 or more will do. This is the understanding of at least. 2 heads. Event B, to get no head. एक भी head नहीं होना चाहिए. There should not be any head here. So find out here. Here see triple T. यहाँ पे एक भी head नहीं है और सब में एक ना एक तो head है ना everywhere. So only triple T can come. So the B is triple T. So what is n of B? So we have written B is triple T, where we don't have any head at all. So what is n of B is 1. एक ही है. Okay, now see, yeah, I haven't written for n of A, so I'll write it here. How many outcomes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So n of A is 4. I hope now it's very clear for you. Let's go for the next event. Conditions for event C. Event C, to get head on the second coin. Okay, see, this is the order. That's the first coin, second coin, third coin. Order ये है, पहला, second and third. So कहाँ हमारा head है second coin में? तो here we have a second coin, head 1, triple H. Here also we have. So we will write it at the same time. So triple H. Okay. Then one we had what? HHT. So I'll write that also. Then where we can see the H in the middle. Here THH. Okay, I have written that also. Then no, it is tail here. Yes, THT. So they said second coin में head होना चाहिए, सब में head है. So n of C is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a 4 elements here. So this is the way we have to do. Fourth question, 2-digit number are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. Repetitions means numbers repeat नहीं होना चाहिए, कौन सा भी number. Event A, the number formed is even. Number B, number formed is divisible by 3. C, number formed is greater than 50. Right here, let's come to first form the sample space here. So what is an experiment here? 2-digit number are formed using the digits. So we will write it, 2-digit number formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's enough here. So now we are going to write it. S is sample space, right? And S equals to. So we need to form. So here, so 0. See here, if we form a number like this 0, 1, 0, 2. So no number can start with the 0. So we cannot write it like this. So what we will be doing it, we will start from 1. So what we will do, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 0. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So all the numbers with the 1 we will complete it. So as I said, 1, 0. Okay. Why I am not writing 0, 1, 0, 2? Because no number can start with the 0. So that's the reason. If we write 0, 1, that is 0 can't be. So it is only 1. And 1 is not a 2-digit number. So we need to start from 1, 0, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. So all we have completed with a 1. Let's go for the 2. 2, 0, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. So similarly 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Sorry, no 2, 2. Sorry, 2, 3. Because repetition, no repetition. If it is said no such conditions are provided, then you can use 22. They said no repetition, मतलब 2 2 repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. 2 3, okay, 2 4 and 2 5 here. We have completed with the 2. Okay, please remember आप 224 के बीच में कॉमा नहीं डालेंगे. 2 digits नंबर मतलब पूरा 2 digit नंबर जहाँ बीच में कॉमा नहीं होना चाहिए. Then we have done with the 2. Let's go for the 3. 30, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. So I'll write it 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. I have done with the 3 also. Let's go for the 4. 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. Done with the 4 also. Let's come for the 5. 5 0 50, 5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54. 52, 53 and 54. Completed. So I have put a curly brackets. Let's check out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many sample points I got in the sample space? That is 25. Done. If the sample space is perfectly formed, then it is very easy to solve the events. So let's go for the first condition. Event A says the number formed is even. So check for an even number here. Which all in the units place, how we can say the number is an even? When in the units place we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we can say this 2, we have 4. So we will pick up and write it. So A equals to, I am writing what all I will say here, showing it here, 10, okay, then 12, then 14, right, then 20, 24, 30, then 32, 34, right, and 40, 42. I have completed till 42. Now for 50, then 52, 54. 52, 54. Now I can close the curly brackets. So let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I got number of sample points in the event A is 13. Clear? Let's go for the next event. Event B says the number formed is divisible by 3. So the number formed is divisible by 3. That is the event B. Divisible by 3. How we can say the number is divisible by 3? जो भी digits से उन दोनों को add करेंगे तो and after adding आप वो 3 टेबल में जाएगा कि चेक करना है. For example 12. 1 plus 2 3. 3 टेबल में जाता है तो 12 आएगा. Here it will not. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. देखो 1 plus 5 6 है ना. तो ये भी 3 टेबल में जाएगा. और you know very well of the 3 table, then you can find it out. So 12, we will write it one by one. Okay dear. 12. Then we know 15. 3 5s are 15. Then we know 3 7s are 21. Okay, आप ऐसे भी चेक कर सकते हो. 2 plus 1 3, तो 3 टेबल में जाएगा. 2 plus 4 6, वो भी जाएगा. 3 8s are 24. Here no. 3 plus 0 3. That is also 3 10s are 30. 3 plus 2 5 नहीं जाएगा. 3 plus 4 7 no. 3 plus 5 8 no. 4 plus 0 no. 4 plus 1 5 no. 4 plus 2 6. 6 3 टेबल में जाएगा. इसके लिए 42. Okay. 4 plus 3 7 no. 4 plus 5 9. 9 3 टेबल में जाता है ना तो 45. Yes. 5 plus 0 no. 5 plus 1 6. This also goes. 51. 51 3 टेबल में कौन से टेबल में जाएगा? 17 3s are 51. 5 plus 2 7 no. 5 plus 3 8 no. 5 plus 4 9. Yes, it also goes. Okay. 54. So I hope this also goes in what? 18 3s are 54. See, you can check. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 10s are 3 13s are 3 14s are and 3 15s are, 3 17s are, and 3 18s are. Okay. So did you find the very easiest method? You can add it. 4 5 plus 1 6, तो वो 3 टेबल में जाता है, वैसे भी कर सकते हो. So what is n of b? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we got 9 here. Let's go for the event C. Event C says the number formed is greater than 50. 50 से बड़ा नंबर, 50 से ज़्यादा, 51 52 53 54. So we will write it directly. C equals to 51 52 53 54. So how many you got as a sample space points? 1 2 3 4. So we got n of C as a 4 here. Hope so it's very clear. Question: from 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. That is 2 person ka committee. Conditions for event A, that is given at least 1 women member, and event B, 1 man and 1 woman committee to be formed, and there should not be women member at all. Now before we see the conditions, let's plan for the sample space here. What is it? 3 men and 2 women. So we need to distinguish the men here. So for that what we will do, let 3 men be. Okay, we will name it as a what? M1, M2 and M3. This is for the men we have distinguished. Now for the women we will distinguish. 2 women are there. So 2 women be W1 and W2. Okay, so now here we have done with this one, but we need to do a sample space. Yes. So what is the experiment here? They said 2 persons committee to be formed. एनवायरमेंट कमिटी जो है 2 पर्सन का कमिटी बनाना है. ओके, सो एनवायरमेंट कमिटी ऑफ, this is the experiment, always we need to write it, environment committee of 2 persons to be formed. Okay, so we have written the experiment here. Now we will write it. S is sample space. Now S equals to, again I'll tell you the condition. They said 2, so we can have, see my dear, we can have, always write it and keep it here, M1 M2 M3 and W1 W2. These are the persons here. So पहला M का complete करेंगे, M1 के साथ M2, M1 M3, ऐसे M1 M2 के साथ एक जोड़ी हुआ, देन M1 M3 के साथ एक जोड़ी, देन M1 W1 के साथ, विमेन 1 के साथ जोड़ी, M1 W1, देन M1 W2 के साथ जोड़ी. तो ये हुआ पूरा M1 का. नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर द M2, मेन 2 का, मेन 2 मेन 3, मेन 2 मेन 3. अभी एक क्वेश्चन है, मेन 2 और मेन 1 लेना है क्या? नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि मेन 2 मेन 1 या मेन 1 मेन 2 दोनों का जोड़ी सेम जोड़ी है. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये राम है, ये गणेश है, तो राम एंड गणेश आर already have formed here. Ganesh और राम होने दो, या राम या गणेश. So that's the reason we won't take M2 M1 again. Now M2 M3 we have taken. Now M2 W1 and M2 W3. Done. Now we have done with this one. Now we will come for M3. Again M3 and M1 will not come, is it or not? Because already formed. So M3 W1, M3 W1 and M3 W2. Yes, now think my dear, we have completed with all M3. Now let's go for the W1. W1 and M1 already completed. This is now only these two are left here, W1 and W2. Women 1 and women 2. दोनों का रह गया है. So how many sample space we got it my dear? Let's see. N of S equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 sample points here. Let's go for the conditions of event A here. Must be at least 1 woman member. कम से कम एक औरत होना चाहिए, एक वुमेन होना चाहिए. कहाँ कहाँ पे एक औरत है? See where all the we can see the woman here. 1, okay, this one, You can see here also W is there, 1, 2. Here also W is there, 3. Here also 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay dear, just 1 minute. This is W2, women 2. Okay, so we will write it the event A here. So at least one woman, wherever we have seen now, we will pick up and write it M1, W1. And why I am putting a bracket? So that it won't interfere with the other elements. Okay, that would be very easy for us. M1, W2. Okay, and where? Here M2, W1. All wherever we can see the women, we can write it M2, W2 and M3, W1 and M3, W2. Do I need to write this one? W1, W2? They said at least one women member. Sir, you remember at least एक गुलाब जामुन, तो एक से ज़्यादा रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. Similarly, at least one woman they said, so एक से ज़्यादा भी women रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. So we need to write it this one, that is W1, W2. Then we can close the curly brackets here. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have n of A is 7 elements here. Now next event B. What is the event B? They said one man, one woman committee to be formed. एक आदमी और एक औरत होना चाहिए. So let's see it where we have like this combination. Here M1 W1, M1 W2. Here no. Here yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can't take this one because they said one man should also be there. So we will take it. I hope we can take it all the same this one except W1 and W2. बाकी सब में men and women है ना? So we can have it here. The combinations of this one same. You can pick up and write it. Okay, M1 W1, M1 W2. Okay, एक man and एक woman. M2 W1. M2 W2, M3 W1 and M3, okay, this is M3 W2. So how many you will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got n of B as a 6 sample points here. Okay, let's go for the third one. Event C. Third event says there should not be a woman member. Woman member औरत ही नहीं होना चाहिए. Where all we can see? See here, these all where we have a women here. So 7 we got it. So only 3 will be left now. What all the combinations? See M1, M2, M1, M3 and M2, M3. Rest all we have a women here. M1, M2. So we say M1, M2. Okay. M1, M3. Here also, here also, here. M2, M3. जहाँ औरत ही नहीं है. Here also we have W all. So this is right. N of C is 3 here. Clear? So here all at least women 7 we have. So left is 10 minus 7. Definitely there will be 3 only here. The question. One coin and one die thrown simultaneously. Okay. Coin and a die. Now event A. So what is an experiment? The one coin and one die thrown simultaneously. Always start with an experiment, then write it S is sample space. This is the right method to write in the exam also. Okay, now S equals 2. Before that, we will see the condition. We have a 3 conditions. Something get head on the odd number. I'll do it one by one. So first we will write the sample space. One coin and one die. So what is this? We have a die means we have head and tail. Coin means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means we can have H1. Okay, head 1, head 2, head 3. क्या क्या आ सकता है? Head 4, head 5 and head 6. ये आ सकता है. वैसे ही टेल के साथ भी टेल 1, टेल 2, टेल 3, टेल 4 and tail 5 and tail 6. If you want to put a commas and separate it, you can. If you don't want, doesn't matter because this is a alphabet and this is a numerical. So no problem. It won't interfere. And then close the curly brackets. So we have prepared the sample space here. So event A says to get head and an odd number. Where all we have a head here, the first 6. But they said it should be an odd number on a die here. So where all we have a odd number? H1, H3 and H5. So we have the A event here, favorable outcomes H1, H3 and H5 here. So what is the number of sample points here? N of A is 3 here, right? Let's go for the next event. Next event, to get a head or tail and an even number. See my dear, we need to understand the question properly. The event here, head or tail. हेड भी चलेगा टेल भी, और मतलब कौन सा भी एक, हेड भी चलेगा टेल भी चलेगा एंड एन इवन नंबर, लेकिन उसके साथ हेड और टेल के साथ इवन नंबर होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी हियर. सो हेड H2 even number means 2 4 6 8. So H2 H4 H6. Similarly tail 2 tail 4 tail 6. Okay, here और बोला तो या कौन सा भी एक. So we will write it here. What all we said? H2 H4 H6. Similarly same with tail 1 tail 2 tail 2 tail 4 and tail 6. So all the even number has appeared? Yes. And now n of b is how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have number of sample points in the event b is 6. Let's go for the third condition. Event c, number on the upper face is greater than 7. And understand here, greater than 7. On a die, is there any number can be greater than 7? Not at all. And tail on the coin. So when it is said greater than 7, 7 से बड़ा कौन सा भी नंबर नहीं है ना, 7 से ज़्यादा, तो इसका मतलब टेल तो है लेकिन 7 से ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर चाहिए, तो वो है ही नहीं है. सो वी से दैट इज वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, दैट इज अ एम्प्टी set here, empty set. So we got n of c as a what here? 0, because we didn't have any element inside. कुछ भी नहीं है, एक रहता तो 1 डालते थे, 6 से 6, यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, so we write it n of c. Understood?